Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on Apple Intelligence on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence. Now to enable Apple Intelligence, first of all, just enable this toggle. Now after that, just tap on Talk to Siri. From here, just press the side button to enable Siri. Now to enable Apple Intelligence, just press and hold the side button on your iPhone to turn on Apple Intelligence. Now as you can see, it has enabled Siri instead of Apple Intelligence. Now to fix this issue, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Now from here, just slide to power off your iPhone. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now just press and hold the side button to turn on your iPhone. Now as you can see, our iPhone has turned on. Now if we press and hold the side button on our iPhone, as you can see, we have successfully enabled Apple Intelligence on our iPhone. And this is how you can turn on Apple Intelligence on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.